Alright traders, hello, welcome back. This is Scott here again this is going to be an end of month update with my Forex trading and also a full-time prop trading update as well, and where I'm at with that position and how it all went in Sydney for the last 2 weeks. So I'm back in Perth. It's actually where I do live, in Perth, but it's looking like I will be going to Sydney. When will be determined in the very near future. So let's get back to the results. I'll get my head out of the way. So here is September, and it is negative 3.43%. So not ideal. I am sitting pretty sweet with the USD yen currently. That's shaping up to be over 2.5% in profit currently. So unrealized, I mean the stop loss is break even. So I mean that's where we're sitting at currently with the USD yen. So over 100 pips, and so it's not too bad. And the Aussie dollar isn't looking too bad either. But we'll see on that. So it's around 3% unrealized or so. But those trades are obviously left open from sort of the end-ish of September, and that's why that's going on. So I made a play selling the Aussie dollar. It was all short euro and short Kiwi. So the trades actually weren't 2% each. I think it was probably 2% on the Aussie, 2% on the euro, and New Zealand. There we go. So and I think the New Zealand dollar was a little bit less as well. So it wasn't the best. I had a thesis in mind that we're going to see some US dollar strength, and it didn't quite play out, and that was the end result. So it's not really the end of the world. Currently I'm up about 0.7% this year I'm up 2%, so that's unrealized, I believe, as well, because it's showing gain of negative 0.71%. So it's interesting. USD yen, where is it going to head? That's a very good question. If we bring this up, I was talking about the Aussie yen as well. Definitely no trade on that quite yet. I've sort of got a resistance line here at 82.509. We've just had so many tests, and I mean above there as well. I was sort of highlighting the high here just to give me a visual reminder, not just to get into this, and I'm not. I'm going to let it go. Let's get the USD yen. Hope everyone had a great weekend as well. If you haven't seen already, my watch list video was up yesterday, so I talked about Euro US dollar as a short and the Aussie yen as a potential buy, but we'll see. So alright, so this is the USD yen. So the high today has been 14.045. We'll go to the daily. You can see it's chugging along pretty nicely. So closed really well for the week. If it can clear these highs, I mean we're talking 11436, 49, 72. If it really, you could go up to, who knows, like 115 or something. We had some, a bit of a sticking point up there. But yeah, if you can clear all this up here, it's interesting. It could really make a move. So we'll see what it wants to do. Currently, as you can see, the stop loss is just above break even, and there's not really much that I'm going to do to this. Will I add to the position? I haven't really put a plan together to add to it, but if we bring the daily up, I probably could have added there to the high there. The high was 113.462, so definitely need to start implementing that, because when you do have a nice strong trending pair that's doing this, it's worth sort of adding to the winning position. But that's that for now. Euro US dollar as well. Just want to briefly touch upon the chart. So this isn't really a trade yet. It's very wiki. It sort of looks like it wants to retrace, so I'm not gonna touch this. Now another interesting one, it's the first video of the day obviously, is the USD CAD. So the USD CAD had a pretty big gap down of 22 pips or so. I don't know where it started the day. I swear it was worse than that, so it's yeah, it's pretty interesting. So monitor a retracement there, guys, and it wants to close the gap. So I'll be watching for that as well. Might trade that with small size. We'll see, because NAFTA has been signed off as well with Mexico and Canada, so that's been done, and everyone seems happy. And the US dollar seems to be semi-strong. So that's that. And I guess let's just have the P&L in the background there. So the situation with the prop firm, I've actually got a lot of leave at work. So I've got enough to well and truly cover me going back there for an extended stay. When I mean the extended stay, it's probably going to be 2-3 months. 3 months is a rough limit, but we can extend that if need be, just to prove my profitability at the firm. I don't want to go into the details of what you need to do, but it's going to take, the really, really good traders took like a month. So I'm someone that takes a little bit longer to learn things and to get consistent. So it's just meeting targets, trading the Bitcoin futures, and we're trading Ethereum as well on BitMEX. So that's the update regarding to that. I can't quite give any more information until I find out just from my work here in Perth, and we'll sort of go from there. But in the meantime, I'll be talking Forex, and I'll be giving updates when I'm going over. Living situation has been worked out as well, so it's going to be the trader life. It's going to be quite an experience, and I'll be sharing videos, but just like I've been doing when I was sitting before, just either on the phone, probably on the phone. So I'm rolling with the latest Samsung, so it's pretty good. The mic's pretty good. Seems to come out pretty good quality, and that's what I'll be looking at doing. And I'll be sharing more the mental side of things to becoming, hopefully, a consistently profitable trader. But yeah, I reviewed Mark Douglas's Trading in the Zone. I'll be continuing to do that, because it's very powerful literature just to really reinforce, how you need to, approach things, especially trading. Mike Bellafiore wrote One Good Trade, I believe it was, the playbook, something like that. I've read both his books. I'm going to probably review those again as well, what it's like to be in a prop firm. And that's about it, guys. So that is the update. I'm still in Perth for now. I'll be going to Sydney as soon as I can. Thank you for listening. That's end of month update as well. So, not trading Forex over there, so that's okay. But still just persisting. So this has been a year of live trading, and it's all out here. And that's that. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.